Thad here with Sunstoppers. I wanted to go over today the difference between Stealth and Clear paint protection film. Both of these are products by Expel. What we've got here right now is a Tesla Model Y. This car is not complete, but we are finishing the full Stealth paint protection installs. Paint protection film, for the most part, generally is clear, or this matte finish is designed for matte painted cars. AMG has the GTR, GTR Pro, Lamborghinis have a matte paint, Range Rovers with a matte paint, and it's designed to go on those cars for the front of the vehicle and not being able to tell if you don't do the whole vehicle. Well, another cool use of it is what we're doing here is you take a gloss painted vehicle, this Model Y, and you do Stealth over the entire thing. So it gives it this nice matte satin look, but you also have paint protection film on the entire car. So it's kind of a twofer. You get a different look, which is kind of the use and purpose of vinyl, is changing the color, changing the finish. But you also get the benefits of paint protection film, 8 mil thick, 10-year warranty, transferable warranty, all those things that Expel comes with. You'll see here, we haven't finished the bumper yet or the A-pillars, so we'll show you some close-up shots on how those look different. Again, the perks are you can change the look. The only downside is if you have a gloss car and you want this look, you have to do the entire car. If you only want to save some money and just protect the front end with from rock chips with paint protection film, you stick to the clear gloss paint protection film. But if you're looking to protect the paint and get this look all in one, it's a great two-in-one to do, and it's very popular with, we do with Tesla customers, and any car really can do it. So if you got any questions, reach out to us. You can find us at sunstoppers.com.